What's going on, guys? I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, guys, welcome back, and I do appreciate the support. Guys, listen, not even 48 hours ago, I did a story about this man right here out of Tampa, Florida. This guy right here is James Rodriguez. I think he's 52 years old to this day. As of Monday, this guy, Jay Rodriguez, who was on trial for the October 2020 beating death of this young lady here, Jennifer Barreras, who was his girlfriend at the time. She was 6 months pregnant. Ladies and gentlemen, this man beat her to death with his bare hands. He kicked her, stomped her, slammed her, and he did this all in front of her friend, who was a witness, who tried to intervene, and he threatened her as well. This woman lost her life, and her baby was, on the way to the hospital. She got to the hospital. They performed a C-section. Over time, after she lost her life, 10 minutes later, after she lost her life, her baby, who was born premature, lost her life as well. Now, guys, he's been in court. The trial started Monday. Here it is, Wednesday, and it's concluded. This man has been found guilty on all counts in 2 days. It took the jury, guys, 1 hour to reach a verdict. Reason why the thing was so short, he pulled a crazy move in court. And this video explained it. There are some people that are so stupid they can't get out of their own way. This right here, this guy right here, Jay Rodriguez, perfect example of how some people shouldn't be able to deal with anybody, and why some of us need licenses to breed or even carry a relationship with a woman. Check this out.
A dramatic day in the murder trial of Jay Rodriguez. The Tampa man faces murder charges, accused of beating his pregnant girlfriend to death and killing her unborn child more than 3 years ago. After 2 days of damaging testimony, Rodriguez took the stand this afternoon to try to save himself, but was it enough to sway the jury? Fox 13's Gloria Gomez joins us live from the Hillsborough County Courthouse. Gloria, what did Rodriguez have to say?
He said he did not kill his pregnant girlfriend. In fact, he says she attacked him, so he left.
Jay Rodriguez.
The walls were closing in on Jay Rodriguez, and he knew it. He took the stand to try to save himself, claiming he did provide drugs to his pregnant girlfriend, Jennifer Barreras, but had nothing to do with her death.
When you left, was Miss Barreras still alive?
When I left, she was alive, yelling, cussing me out like she always do when we have these little disputes.
Just hours earlier, Rodriguez was ready to throw in the towel.
My client has been consistently trying to resolve this, and he just doesn't want to go any further.
Rodriguez had had a change of heart. He wanted to skip the trial and cut a deal with the state. After a quick huddle with prosecutors, they decided no deal. The trial would go on.
There's the possibility that the person was strangled.
This sudden decision came on the heels of damning testimony from the medical examiner. The ME had just described the fatal injuries that killed the pregnant mother and her unborn child. Catastrophic blows and stomps to the head that left visible tread marks that were later matched to the shoes Rodriguez was wearing.
These injuries are consistent with blunt impact injuries.
Prosecutors say in October of 2020, Rodriguez beat his girlfriend to death. Barreras was 6 months pregnant. The screams for help were heard by roommate and friend Jessica Gonzalez, who testified the petite mom was pinned up against her bedroom wall and punched repeatedly.
After that, he was picking her up, slamming her on the ground, picking her up, slamming her on the ground at least four or five times, stomping on her stomach, just over and over and over again.
The young mom did not survive the beating. Her baby was delivered by C-section, but died minutes later. Now it will be up to a jury to decide if Rodriguez is the monster prosecutors say he is. And Haley, closing arguments are underway as we speak. If the jury gets this case tonight and there's a verdict, we will let you know. Back to you.
Gloria Gomez reporting tonight in Tampa. Gloria, thank you.
That's the story of Jay Rodriguez and what happened to him in court. This guy is a monster all the way to his core. He deserved every bit of, punishment that they dished at him. His behavior was not only despicable, it was childlike, and it was reminiscent of that of a loser. Few things I want to bring up. Yesterday, if you wasn't paying attention to that video, they said it was damning testimony of all the stuff he did to her. The medical examiner even spoke. They showed them pictures. Did you see the picture? She had his footprint on her face. This woman lost her child 6 months pregnant. He beat her up against the wall while she laid there in the fetal position trying to protect that child. I want you to think about that. Picked her up, slammed her 4 or 5 times. Witness was there watching it. Pregnant woman, you slammed her. Stomped on her so bad, guys, they said she had footprints and you seen one across her face. Do you know how hard you got to jump on somebody? That means he was jumping with like both feet, like monkey shit on her. He went ape shit on her, literally. It's a damn shame. A woman, somebody that you claim you love. The viciousness of that. That his punishment need to be just as vicious. Sickening display for a man to be. For a man to show. Seriously, just thinking about it makes my blood boil. See how big he is compared to that girl? Come on. And she's young. I told you, these older guys try to get these girls. They want to control them. These abusive boyfriends. You do what I say. All kind of craziness. Another thing is this. They showed him in there after yesterday. You can see when the masses get swayed, the jury right there. They seen the pictures. They was like, he's standing there. Things ain't going well. What do you do? I don't want to go on. I'll take the deal. Can we strike a deal? Went right over there. What was the lawyers? Not the defense, the prosecutors. Women. Can we strike a deal? After everything is open. Go over there to the prosecutor. Hell to the no. No deal. No, we're going to proceed with this. Family in there, that victim. Now you want to strike a deal because you looking bad. At what point was you trying to go to trial and think you had a chance of winning? Did you see his alibi? I got it written right here. Said the witness came and talked, right? So what did he do today? Panicking, sweating bullets. I got to go take the stand. They cross-examine him. What do we say? When I left, she was breathing. She was all right. I didn't do anything to her. She was talking and cussing me out and doing everything that other people do when they disrespect you. This is the part that cracks me up right here. He also said, I probably grabbed her for not hitting me. I grabbed her so she wouldn't hit me no more. When the attorney asked him if he ever beat her, Rodriguez denied it. No, I never hit her. So automatically it was a poltergeist in the room. And when you left, that evil energy you had spewed and stayed in the room, and just some Holy Ghost warrior just beat the hell out of your girlfriend and made her lose that child. While it was wearing your shoes with the imprint on them that you was caught in. See the stupidity? These people run around here and do these crimes. If you don't know the law, you shouldn't do no crime. Shouldn't do no crime, period. But come on, man. He looks stupid. He looked dumb, y'all. Seriously, he looked hella stupid. Grown-ass man, 52 years old, older than me, looked dumb. You thought you had a chance of winning that? But they was going to show them pictures of them people? Prosecution's a woman? Come on, man. Judge a woman. You in there for an abuse case. What if any of them been abused before? Immediately you look bad. 48 hours. Ed guilty. Get your dumb ass out of here. Smoked him. I don't know why he thought that was a good idea to go in there. Jessica Gonzalez, the friend, testimony was paramount. She explained it. Had her up against the thing. She couldn't even move. He kicking her, stomping on her, picking her up and slamming her, trying to cause imminent destruction. What was you doing all that for? She wasn't fighting you back. Shouldn't have hit her once, let alone an onslaught like she's an enemy. You fighting in trench warfare in World War I? Disgusting. Need to send this dude back to the hellfire. I'd put him in the cremation thing right now with that big ass suit he had on looking stupid. Hopefully the family say justice is served and they'll be able to find some type of peace in their lives. What you did to that woman, unacceptable. I'm Stock Market Steve for the Dynamic Reason channel. May Jennifer Barrios and her child, I don't know the name, they named the child, rest in peace. My heart and prayers go out to the family. And fuck this dude, Jay Rodriguez. Trash. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.